Assalamu alaikum. Listening English every day. My mother loves me. My mother loves me. My mother loves me. He reached the station. He reached the station. He reached the station. He ordered my dismissal. He ordered my dismissal. What's the time by your watch? What's the time by your watch? What's the time by your watch? He is angry with me. He is angry with me. He is angry with me. She was killed by a robber. She was killed by a robber. She was killed by a robber. They went to Banaras by train. They went to Banaras by train. They went to Banaras by train. My principal is pleased with me. My principal is pleased with me. My principal is pleased with me. Are you angry with her? Are you angry with her? Are you angry with her? Open your book at page 10. Open your book at page 10. Open your book at page 10. Your name please. Your name please. What's your good name? What's your good name? Please introduce yourself. Please introduce yourself. What's your age? What's your age? How old are you? How old are you? I have just completed 20. I have just completed 20. You are older than me. You are older than me. You are younger than me. You are younger than me. I am a bachelor. I am a bachelor. He is married. He is married. She is married. She is married. She has only 2 daughters. She has only 2 daughters. I have only 2 daughters. I have only 2 daughters. What is your father? What is your father? What does your father do? What does your father do? What's your profession? What's your profession? He has retired from government service. He has retired from government service. He looks aged. He looks aged. She looks aged. She looks aged. His mother looks aged. His mother looks aged. He has grey hair. He has grey hair. I have grey hair. I have grey hair. Does she dye her hair? Does she dye her hair? Do you have a joint family? Do you have a joint family? Is yours a joint family? Is yours a joint family? How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have? Our eldest brother lives separately. Our eldest brother lives separately. He is just a kid. He is just a kid. She is just a kid. She is just a kid. You look younger than your age. You look younger than your age. You look young for your age. You look young for your age. My brother is 16 years old. My brother is 16 years old. My sister is 16 years old. My sister is 16 years old. An idle man is as good as half dead. An idle man is as good as half dead. This cloth is 12 rupees per meter. This cloth is 12 rupees per meter. Please don't forget to wear a raincoat. Please don't forget to wear a raincoat. This cloth is extremely warm. This cloth is extremely warm. Indian women usually wear saris. Indian women usually wear saris. Don't wear wet clothes. Don't wear wet clothes. Wear old coat. Buy a new book. Wear old coat. Buy a new book. I will come after changing my clothes. I will come after changing my clothes. Nowadays, the youth wear clothes of the latest fashion. Nowadays, a youth wear clothes of the latest fashion. She was wearing in a silk sari. She was wearing in a silk sari. My clothes have gone to the laundry. My clothes have gone to the laundry. He was wearing a blue uniform. He was wearing a blue uniform. Neither borrow nor lend. Neither borrow nor lend. You must come out with the truth. You must come out with the truth. There is a great joy in selfless service. There is great joy in selfless service. He has atoned for his sin. He has atoned for his sin. Neither deceive nor be deceived. Neither deceive nor be deceived. The virtuous alone are happy. The virtuous alone are happy. An idle mind is a devil's workshop. An idle mind is a devil's workshop. Life is for others' service. Life is for others' service. Don't ask anything from anybody. Don't ask anything from anybody. I have bought a color television. I have bought a color television. Your TV is on. Your TV is on. Your TV is off. Your TV is off. My radio is on. My radio is on. My radio is off. My radio is off. I am very fond of watching TV. I am very fond of watching TV. The postman is sorting out the letters. The postman is sorting out the letters. Now switch on into channel Z. Now switch on into channel Z. Write as neatly as you can. Write as neatly as you can. Keep the accounts clear. Keep the accounts clear. How is the grain market? How is the grain market? Please count the money. Please count the money. I got duped by him. I got duped by him. This is a base coin. This is a base coin. Settle the wages. Settle the wages. He invested all the money in trade. He invested all the money in trade. Give the boys 2 rupees each. Give the boys 2 rupees each. Handle a book with clean hands. Handle a book with clean hands. Keep to the left. Keep to the left. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. Always shake hands with your right hand. Always shake hands with your right hand. Be hard working. Be hard working. Always keep the idiots off. Always keep the idiots off. Talk respectfully with elders. Talk respectfully with elders. Sink your differences. Sink your differences. Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth after both the meals. Brush your teeth after both the meals. Go out for a walk in the mornings and evenings. Go out for a walk in the mornings and evenings. Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. Stand upright, don't bend. Stand upright, don't bend. Patch up your disputes. Patch up your disputes. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. Obey your elders. Obey your elders. Love your youngers. Love your youngers. Give due regard to your equals. Give due regard to your equals. Be punctual and attentive. Be punctual and attentive. Chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. Hold firmly. Hold firmly. Don't shirk work. Don't shirk work. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Don't speak ill of others. Don't speak ill of others. Don't laugh at others. Don't laugh at others. Don't quarrel with others. Don't quarrel with others. Don't go out barefooted. Don't go out barefooted. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Don't steal others' things. Don't steal others' things. Don't lose your balance. Don't lose your balance. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Don't doze while working. Don't doze while working.